Alright, hey guys, so if you're watching this, that means you've already logged into your email, you figured it out. Now I'm going to just show you how to press send. So you go to Outlook, then you click New Message, and then you are going to type in your teacher's email. So see, that's mine. Also, you are going to have a list. It's on your Google Classwork right here. This is where you can find your teacher's email, and you can copy and paste it into this. So you click to, then you add a subject, class, then you are going to follow the guidelines that I posted. So you're going to be like, Dear Mrs. Whitehurst, I cannot spell my new last name, and then say I am having trouble with turning in, I'm making this up, turning in my past assignment. Can we schedule a time to talk so you can help me? Thank you. So this is just like very basic. I just made that up, but that is just an example. So then when you're done, you press send. There you go. Here's your inbox. This is where you'd get all of your emails right here. Anything you delete, it would be right there. And then there's your send items. So there you go.